Hey folks, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create organic looking speed lines. It involves making a brush and then modifying the brush. So let's get right into it. First thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and make a brand new canvas. So if I go up to File and choose New, I'm going to make the brush that is going to be the setup for this particular effect. I want to make sure that the width and the height are both set to 1000 pixels and the resolution is set to 600 pixels per inch. I also want to make sure that the background is showing up as transparent. This is typically the settings that I use when I'm making any new brush. And the reason why I'm making it 1000 by 1000 is because that is the largest size default brush that you can make without any other kind of laggy issues taking place. So that's the reason why I'm choosing that number. It's a square number because all brushes are placed inside some type of a square canvas. I'm going to click Create, and then I'm going to use a brush tool. And I'll just go to my brush tool, and I will choose my Crescent Crusader brush. You can use whatever brush you want. I'm simply going to make a straight line. I'm holding down the Shift key to make a straight line. From there, what I'd like to do is I'd like to go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and I'll give this a name. We'll just call this my initials underscore test 2. Now I've got the brush. It actually replaces the cursor. So let's go ahead and actually use this brush. So if I make a brand new canvas, so I'll go to File New. I'll make a 5100 by 3300 pixel canvas just to test this brush out with. If I place a straight line, I now have a set of horizontal lines that I can keep clicking to get this horizontal speed line effect. But it gets better than that. So what I can do is, if I wanted to have the speed lines, say, at an angle, then what I could do is I could use my left arrow key to rotate the brush like so. So the left arrow key on your keyboard can be used to change the angle of the brush tip. And similarly, if I use my right arrow, I can go ahead and have the brushes rotated, or the brush tip rotated to where it's moving down. So in this way, you can create some pretty organic, fast-looking speed lines with very little effect. And I said that this brush has a little bit more versatility than just creating speed lines. If, for example, you're trying to create a set of horizontal lines for buildings or other things of that nature, you can certainly use this particular brush for making those horizontal lines, and then you can use the perspective tool to put it in proper perspective. So a lot of different applications here, but speed lines seem to be the one that a lot of people want to see, how to make some brushes that convey that particular effect. So that's the reason why I'm showing it. So I hope you found this tip to be useful. Try it out. If you actually put your work out there on Instagram, tag me so I can take a look and see what you did. My Instagram handle is Krishna Draws, just like the YouTube channel here. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.